Look there, sweetheart.
Where is it? Come.
Very cool.
Where is it coming?
Yeah, great. Good pass, Lucas. Straight to my feet, that was. Is it? Oh, maybe a tiny bit, yeah. You want a smooch, man? Oh, just a bit of water. Hello. Where are you going? Okay, Rose. Let's do it, Jake. Run! Run! Ah! Right, let's run and catch up. Woo. Yeah, it's raining. It's not cold.
I'm thinking stuff. I'm thinking a house for us. The rain doesn't come in.
Yeah, well, dude, you're going to be there all day. It will have stopped raining by the time you've made it. Should we just catch up to our family? Come on, buddy, everybody's waiting for
Where are we
you.
going?
Just walking. We're not going anywhere in particular. We'll walk there and then we'll walk back. Come on. You going to come with me?
I just want to make my house.
I know you do, Maitland. Come on, let's go. Come on, guys, let's walk.
No,
Keep walking.
no.
Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Nick's just saying he's tired.
Oh, is he? Yeah, I can see why that might be the case, Lucas, given all that sleep you haven't had today. Right, can we keep moving now? Please?
Just thinking a volcano for this. Can I use my spoon for it? So I can drink it.
It's still a bit hot at the minute.
So I use the spoon when stuff is hot.
Oh, that impart some knowledge. It was funny, the penguin one. Like, was it? You got Rosa. Did you have the penguin? No, you had the reindeer. Jake's penguin. Because it's still, you could kind of see its head, and it's just like. I'd stand on. There we go. Jake, no.
I need more butter. Let it rain snow.
Oh, I think Jake ran out of bubbles. Oh, you just dip it in, dear? Is that how it works? Oh, okay.
I'm gonna do it above me.
That is pretty impressive bubble levels.
Where?
Yeah, careful because they're very slippy.
Very cool.
Careful.
Good lord.
Why?
That's a lot of bubbles.
So many to come for Christmas! You're getting that these next year as well. We want to get the whole collection.
Turn it round, Jake. Holding it wrong way round.
Why do you use it like that?
So, because look, it's got a little handle.
Christmas Eve 2022. Okay. Where's my dog?
No, it's so close.
I'm decorating Jane.
Oh!
Okay.
Oh dear.
Okay.
Oh dear.
Good morning. It's